Hi, today we are just going to prove a formula of AP, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Okay, this is the formula in AP. We just going to prove it in a different way. Okay, let's start. We think that assume this first term is a, so that second term is a plus d, where d is a common difference. A is the first term. Third term is a plus 2d. So as last term a plus n minus 1 equal to d. It is denoted t1, t2, t3, and that is tn. Okay. This is the last term. It is also denoted by L. Now, if we sum all of them, what we will get? That it's Sn equal to number of A is n, so n plus, you can take common d from here, 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 plus n minus 1. Now we have to prove this is equal to that is. Okay. So first we have to assume that n minus 1 may be odd number or maybe even number. Let's assume that n minus 1 is first is even number. So for that case, that is S1, that is NA plus B, add on this portion. Just look, n minus 1 plus 1, that means n minus 1 plus 1, that means n, again before of this term is n minus 2, that means n minus 2 plus 2 equal to n. So the sum of first term and last term is n, so that is n into the half of the terms. Okay, half of the number of terms. So number of term is n minus 1. For this case, n minus 1 by 2. This is only possible when n minus 1 is a even term, even number. Okay. Now equal to, we may write Na plus d n square minus n by 2. Now if n minus 1 is odd number, then what it will be? N minus 1 is odd, n minus 1 is even. So we may write SE, or this is SO. SO for odd, SE for even. Now Na as usual into D. Now in this case we have to think something, because for the odd number we cannot decide the half of the total number. So for this case, let's assume that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So we can see that 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, but there is a number is 3, there is a middle. Okay, so middle number is single. So if we remove this single number, that time we can 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4. Okay, and the number of term is half, there is a number of term is 5 and 6, we can multiply 6 into half of the term is 4 by 2. 4 means 5 minus 1 by 2 plus 3. We can write in this way, this term. So now we use the same technique here. Let's go. Now in, assume 6, 5 plus 1, 6, so n is here. 5 minus 1 means total number minus 1. Total number means n minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay. Plus we have to find out this middle number. Just we have to add this middle number. So in this case we have to find out the middle number. That's the first term is 1. Okay. Plus we know that the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we just going to use this formula here and going to find out the middle term. A, that means 1 here. A means 1 plus n minus 1 into d. So here n minus 1 now one thing is here, is the remarkable things, that is in this case we have to find out the term of this number. Which term it is? This is, in this case this is a third term. Okay, so third term means n minus 1 into d, that means n minus 1 minus 1 into d means 1. This term is this is the third term. So third term means we can write 1 plus 3 minus 1 into 1. Okay, 3 minus 1 into 1, then we can get this term. So for this case 3 is, we will get, how will get 3? 5 plus 1 minus 2, then we will get the 3. Okay, so in this case n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 is the term. This is called n. Okay, n minus 1 plus 1 by 2, this is the n minus 1. Okay, into d, d means here 1. Okay, easily you can find out it that n minus 1 means here it is the n minus 1, there is a 3. We can write down 3. 5 plus 1 by 2, that means we just add a one number with this last number of term. So here is a number of term is n minus 1, we just going to add a one term with it, that means n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 into d. Okay, now what we will get from here? Na plus d, this is n square minus 2n by 2, this is plus 1 plus n by 2 and 1 minus 1. Okay, n by a plus if we take d by 2, then what's the remaining part is n square minus 2n plus n. That means n a plus d by 2 into n square minus n. Now we're just going to erase this portion. When you don't know that it is odd or even number, actually that time we take their average. That means Sn equal to AC plus SO by 2. For this case, we just take the average of even and odd number, sum of even and odd number. So we can write this number here. AC is equal to in A plus d by 2 into n square minus n plus n A plus d by 2 n square minus n. One thing is noticed here that both the term is same by 2. Now that means NA plus NA 2NA plus, if I take d by 2 common here, that means 2n square minus 2n by 2. Now we can cut this here, 2na plus d by 2, take common 2 from here, n square minus n, do 2. Okay, we can also take n common from here, n, that means 2a plus d n minus 1 by 2 equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this is proved in a different way. Okay, it is not same which is in our book. Okay, so don't worry, it is also okay. You can notice it but don't follow it. It is too tough for you in this situation, in this stage. When you will take admit in HS higher level, it will be easy for you. Thank you.